In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit cells in Smartsheet. If you're new to Smartsheet or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will guide you through the essential ways to update your data quickly and confidently. First, open Smartsheet in your browser and sign in so you're ready to make changes. You'll find the link to the Smartsheet website right at the top of the description for easy access. Once you're in, open the specific sheet you want to work on. For the smoothest editing experience, make sure you're in Grid View. Grid View gives you a clean, spreadsheet-style layout where cells are straightforward to click and update. To begin editing, click the cell you want to change. You'll see it become active, which means it's ready for input. For text or numbers, just type your new information directly into the cell. When you're done, press Enter to save the change, or press Tab to move to the next cell so you can keep working without lifting your hands from the keyboard. If you're updating a date, click in a date column and use the built-in calendar picker to select the correct date. This ensures the format is consistent and prevents typos. After choosing the date, press Enter to confirm and save. Some columns are set up with specific types to keep your data consistent. If you see a drop-down, click the cell and pick the value from the list. For a checkbox, click once to check it and again to uncheck it. If the column is a contact list, click the cell and select a team member from the suggestions, or start typing a name and choose it when it appears. This helps keep assignments clear and standardized across your sheet. When you're moving information around, you can copy and paste just like in other spreadsheet tools. Use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on Windows, or CMD+C and CMD+V on a Mac. To speed up repetitive entries, use the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of a selected cell. Drag it across rows or columns to repeat values or extend simple sequences. Smartsheet autosaves your edits, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. If you need to collaborate, add comments directly on cells to discuss changes with your team. And if you ever need to review what's been updated, open the activity log to see who edited what and when, which is great for accountability and auditing. That's it. Editing cells in Smartsheet is simple, flexible, and efficient. Thanks for watching.